Hello, YouTube. It's been a while, I know. Um, but today I actually have a surprise. I'm installing something that's not Goodman. Uh, this salesman was pretty persistent, and I decided to give him a shot. Um, and I'm glad I did. The guys there are pretty cool. It's called AC Pro, made by Lennox. So far, so good. Now I'm going to show you the inside of this house. Right here is where I'm going to cut a return. We didn't have a really good hallway that we can cut a nice return. So now I'm showing you the problem room. This is a area where there's no attic, so it's going to be really, really hot. Originally, I wanted to cut a return there, and then a supply, and then a supply above the wall heater, and a supply on the left. But there wasn't any space with the framing. But above that wall heater, and then on the left, two bays over, I cut a supply up high on the wall. This wall heater gets removed, and then we run that gas line up into the attic. So right here are the floor boxes on the floor, and then you see where I'm gonna cut. I'm actually pointing to where I'm gonna cut the supplies. One for the dining room, one for the kitchen. Now we're going into the back part of the house. Right here, we're cutting a opening from the attic where there actually is some attic space so that we can run a riser pipe through and then go from uh, rectangular to round and then connect the supply for that back bedroom. On this side, it's going to be like a guest room. So this door on the right hand side that you can see is not going to be there. It's going to be a wall. And then what's directly in front of you is where you're going to see a riser pipe going down for a return. That's going to be down low on the wall. We already moved some electrical that was in the way. And then on the top, it's going to be the supply. And this is going to be like a guest room. Yeah, and that way I don't feel weird talking in front of other people. Right, so here you go. I know it's been a long while, but finally got around to recording something. Hopefully I'll edit this in less than a week. Probably not, but there it is. Condenser is gonna go right there. Probably gonna have let me see, I can't see what's going on with this. Line set's gonna come down through there. So that's the new ride. Still need to logo it up. There's Milo right there. I don't know what he's doing here. Milo, what are you doing here? I fired you a week ago. What are you still doing here?
Like Goodman.
All right, here we go. Here is temporary grill right there. This is actually the grill that's going on there. It's a bar type. There's the return. This unit's gonna be separated from the rest of the house, so that's why we added its own supply and its own return. There's the bathroom. That's how we ran the return. It's kind of tight in there.
joist box right there for that room. But this was a tight squeeze, so we used the riser pipe right there to go into the attic, because there's no attic right here. So we actually enlarged the attic access. Cut a supply right there. Right there. There's our another supply. And we have a nice big return. Painted it all black. Might need a little touching up. We're gonna have a bar type grill for that return. And here we have, I'm gonna straighten out those louvers so that they look nice and neat. These two supplies, each one of those is an 8-inch for this room with no attic. So it's gonna be hot in here. So we put 2 8s. This is the joist box. That's gonna go in that little room. Then I'll show you outside where the condenser is. There's Milo again, hiding. Where are you hiding, Milo? So that's the part where the hallway is, that there is no attic. And so you can see that this is where we punch through to go into the bedroom, to supply this bedroom. And over there we punch through return and a supply to go into that room that's going to be separated from the rest of the house. But here's where the condenser goes. Line set cover. Already started with the electrical. It's pretty much done. Coming along. There we go. Look at that. All right. So I'm gonna show you guys what's going on up here. Got the unit hung. We ran 3 all-threads on this roof because we had 2x3s, so we couldn't put it on furnace stands. We framed out our return where we cut our new return. It's all lath and drywall, no plaster. They took off the plaster, and as you can see, they took off the plaster and it's just drywall underneath there. But it's coming along. Got our nice catwalk. We got our light up there, our plug. Everything's coming along. Nice beautiful switch right here, metal cover. But that's it. It's a coming along. All right, that's it. This is the final result. I had trouble with the video. I apologize for that. I'm trying to learn how to use this new camera, and I had this new GAMP or whatever it's called to hold the camera steady, which I did not like. Made too much noise throughout the whole video, so forgive that. But here's the end result. I was pretty happy with this equipment. I'm looking forward to future installs with it. We'll see how it goes. So far the guys are great, and the warranty is good, so please like and subscribe if you haven't, and look forward to making more videos for you guys.